Well, look at you.
Hello. You're so beautiful in person. My goodness.
Thank you. What about them?
Well, tell us who you are, please.
My name is Danny Carr.
And where are you from, Danny?
I am from all the way on the East Coast, Statesville, North Carolina.
I'm guessing you're a singer.
Yes, sir. A singer-songwriter.
How long have you been doing this for?
I have loved music ever since I was little, ever since I was really young, but I didn't get the courage to do it till I was 17, so about 6 years ago.
And we're really looking forward to hearing you. Good luck.
Thank you so much. There's people out there who live every day, not knowing how or why they came. I've heard them calling my name, but the only way I'll know I've done okay is if I get to where Tom Petty went someday. Hope I make it there someday. I'll make it there someday.